Becoming a mom changes everything, and starting a business while figuring out motherhood, this is a whole different challenge. Hello, I'm Anna, the creator of Verižica brand, and I want to share my journey. How I went from a new mom to running a small business, the struggles, the wins, and everything in between. If you are a mom and trying to chase your dreams, this one is for you. When I became a mom, my world shifted completely. I was overwhelmed, exhausted, and honestly, I felt I was losing part of myself. That is when I knew that I needed something just for me, something that made me creative and excited again. That's how Verižica was born. It started with a simple passion for making jewelry, and then it turned into a way for me to express myself and also the way to connect with other women, especially moms who wanted to feel confident and beautiful again, like myself. Watch me when I'm cooking, otherwise I cannot find any time for filming, so enjoy in my recipes. But let's be real. There were sleepless nights and days when I felt that I wasn't doing enough, and times when I questioned myself if I could really make this happen. Trying to build a small business while having a small child, this means a lot of interruptions, a lot of limited time, and a lot of self-doubt. And there is, of course, a mom guilt. Am I spending enough time with my child? Am I focusing too much time on my small business? This is a constant fight in my head, and I need to find a balance. So honestly, I'm still figuring this out. But despite all the challenges, there were the moments that reminded me why I started. The first time I made a sale, I couldn't believe someone wanted to wear something I made. Then there were messages from customers saying how my jewelry made them feel special. That's when I knew I wasn't just making earrings, I was creating something meaningful. And I realized I don't have to be perfect at both business and motherhood. I just have to keep going, learning, and embracing the journey. If you are a mom with a dream, whether it's starting a new business, learning a new skill, or just doing something for yourself, I would say go for it. Start small and give yourself a grace. And remember that you don't have to have it all figured out right away. Progress is better than perfection. And if you ever feel that you are alone in this, no, you are not. There are so many of us figuring it out all together. Believe me. Today I'm wearing earrings from my collection, from Blush Stone collection. They're a little bit bigger studs. I like to wear bigger studs because I feel more special and confident, and I know they are seen. This journey has been full of ups and downs, but I would never trade it for anything else. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Are you also a new mom chasing your dreams? I would love to hear your story.